number 5 is complete. That was the Cafe Terrace at Night Clementoni 1,000 piece jigsaw puzzle. Challenging, beautiful, and I got to figure out how I'm going to hang it, because it's definitely going to be hung on the walls. You know, Vincent van Gogh deserves as much, right? Right. Now onwards to puzzle number 6, which is the Aquarius 1,500 piece DC Comics Originals. And as you can see, as you see their faces, these are the original comics that Superdan grew up watching. Maybe some of you grew up watching it or have watched it. Either way, it's just as good. There's the original Aquaman. And on the back here, it shows figures that aren't on the front. The back is a more fuller picture. Shows some of these guys in the front. I can't remember who they are. Maybe some of you comic book geeks can remember. Looked up Aquarius. Couldn't really get much information about them. All I know is that they make high quality puzzles and other stuff. It's just a company that makes stuff, as far as I know. So I don't know the quality of the puzzle. I don't know if it's thick pieces, thin pieces, if they're all here. Looking at the bag, I looked at the bag already. It looked quality. So I'll just assume right now that it's a quality puzzle, and we're going to put it together. It's going to be a lot of fun. And I looked at what Aquarius puts out. They put out a lot of different types of puzzles. Lots of various stuff, which is cool. So, without any further ado, let us put together this puzzle. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let us begin the sorting process. The sorting. Basically what we're going to do, sort out the flat pieces from everything else and turn everything else up so we can see them. That's it. Let's do it. Well, we have sorted it. I didn't want to use more than 3 boxes, but boy, there's a lot of pieces in this puzzle. 1,500 pieces, and it's a lot. Detail or not, it's a lot of pieces, man. I feel like I'm doing 3 puzzles in one. This may be more challenging than I was giving it credit in the beginning, even though it does have more fine detail than the Van Gogh Cafe Terrace at Night. It's a lot of pieces. Wow. Before we get into the border, which hopefully I got all the border pieces, all the flat pieces, because if I didn't, it's going to be a heck of a time finding the other ones. But if I'm just missing a few of them, we're not going to care. We're just going to go into the puzzle. But hopefully I got them all. But I was looking at the picture of all the DC comic originals, and I don't know all of these. I'm not a total pro when it comes to the DC comic universe, but I mean I do know quite a few of them. I know that this is Plastic Man. That's Shazam. That's the Green Arrow, Flash, Superman, Green Martian, Is that it? Green, is that what he's called? Green Martian? I think that's called, or Martian Manhunter. Excuse me. Martian Manhunter. This is Aquaman, believe it or not. Doesn't look too Samoan, does he, in that picture? Wonder Woman. Supergirl. Superman. Not sure. Not Black Adam. Not sure. Hawkman. Not sure. Lois Lane, maybe? I'm not sure who that is. Who is this guy? I have no idea. Maybe that's Reverse Flash. Black Canary. Olsen. Maybe Jimmy Olsen. I don't know. Don't know. Batman. Robin. Batgirl. Catwoman, maybe? Catwoman. Ivy. Darkseid or Darkseid. I think it's Darkseid. Sinestro. Lex Luthor. I think Lex Luthor. Super Cop. Don't know. Don't know. Leopard Woman. Don't know. No. Oh, it's that guy with that weird name, right? That you gotta say 3 times that magical creature.
He's familiar to me, but I can't place him. Penguin. Don't know. This angry fellow is Two-Face. Harlequin. And where is the Joker? Joker's not here.
Here's the Joker and the Riddler. So, there you go. No, most of them, not all of them. But anyways, let's get off of that. Let's do the border. And then we'll see where we're at. But I was able to separate the border pieces successfully. This is a big puzzle. I could barely fit it on my whiteboard. But take a look at it. This is a big one. Wow. Alright, so this is where we're going to end part 1 of Puzzle 6, Aquarius 1500 piece puzzle, DC Comics original. When we come back in part 2, we're going to start on the detail. Lord help me. Cheers. Please, if you like these videos, click the thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, please, to Superdan's Jigsaw puzzles. I think we're up to 6 now. You know how many I got on the Superdan channel? Over 1,200. So come on, let's subscribe. Let's do that, and I will catch you in part 2.